Thousands of Arizonans removed from their homes, left on the streets during a pandemic. That chaotic scene, the so-called eviction cliff, is what some predict will happen once an order delaying eviction enforcement ends next month. Tonight, the Rebound Arizona with a push for the governor to extend that order and to work faster at getting financial help to renters who still have to pay. Here's Let Joe Know's Joe Ducey.
It's an urgent letter to the governor that tens of thousands of Arizonans will become homeless.
With our case numbers continuing to increase, with the economy still, struggling to get going, we're hopeful that the governor will extend these protections here in the next couple weeks.
State Senator Sean Bowie is talking about an order protecting renters against eviction enforcement if they were affected by the COVID pandemic. It's set to expire in less than a month, and Bowie sees a mess.
For people to be out in the streets and not have those protections in place, I think it's going to be harder to combat this coronavirus.
The order allowed evictions to continue. The enforcement would be delayed until July 23rd. Bowie and 32 other state legislators, all Democrats, say in Maricopa County nearly 1,700 eviction orders have been issued since mid-March and will be ripe for enforcement upon expiration of your order. With school beginning then, COVID cases up now, jobs lost, the lawmakers want a 6-month extension, keeping renters in their places until January. And right now, there doesn't even seem to be a procedure on how the evictions will happen.
As of right now, unless the law changes or we have an executive order that clarifies it, constables could come to families and lock them out on July 23rd.
Pam Bridge is an attorney with Community Legal Services, a nonprofit helping lower-income Arizonans.
Tenants should have some type of written notice that lets them know that they're going to be locked out again on what date.
She has other concerns. Some tenants have continued paying partial rents. Others have paid no rent at all, and when they're forced to leave, all of it becomes due. With no jobs, that could be tough.
Tenants should reach out to the counties and cities to see if they have rental assistance.
Bridge says there are millions in federal CARE Act money to help renters. State money is addressed in the lawmaker's letter, blaming the governor for delays in delivering this assistance to eligible families.
The governor is the only one that can allocate those funds. Less than 30% of that $50 million has been allocated.
As for an extension of the evictions enforcement, the governor is not committing.
We're working with our federal partners on what the rest of the summer looks like before we make any decisions on what's going to happen next.
His office says they're working with groups to determine any additional actions that may be needed following the order's expiration. Another concern for renters, if they have an eviction on their record, they can't get subsidized housing and may have a really hard time finding another rental. Attorney Bridge says the best approach for them right now, try to work out an agreement with their landlord early. You have concerns, you need our help, email us, rebound@abc15.com. For the Rebound Arizona, I'm Joe Ducey. If you've got a problem, let me know.